Today is Thursday, March 5th, 2026. In simulator, pretty good red day for me. What I'm going to call like my max loss red day. $1.50 in the red on my profit ratio. I took 31 trades, only had 11 winners. My average winner was only 7 cents. Average loser was 11 cents. And my very first trade was one of the biggest losers I've had in several weeks at 72 cents right off the bat. Um, I got on the computer just a few minutes before 6 a.m. like I always do. TDYN had been the best chart of the morning so far. And it was kind of going sideways just below VWAP. I got in at 988, thinking that once the 6 o'clock traders came on, they'd pump the volume up and that would break it through VWAP. VWAP was right at like 9.95 or $10 or something. So I thought getting it at 988, it would break through VWAP, break the $10 mark. And I mean, it was as quick as I could click a button. It was down to like 920s. Insanely fast drop. I don't even think it dropped before the 6 o'clock traders came on. But holy shit, I got out at 916, a 72-cent loss to start the day, and doing my best to play cleanup throughout the day, and I just kept mistiming everything I was trying to do. BTAI took off a little bit, nothing major. HTOO went from $3 to $5, and or $4 to $5, and I went 2 green trades on it. But my biggest green trade was only 14 cents. I didn't even get any solid winners in at all. GXAI was one of the leading gappers all day, and it made like a 60-cent move and then kind of stayed sideways. I got my ass kicked by VBIX. It popped up, and then faster than it went up, it went down. And then to end the day, right before the opening bell, MTEK took off and made a couple pretty decent moves. And I hesitated on every opportunity I had on it. And that was when I decided to call it a day. I couldn't get a winning trade if you paid me to. So, end of the day, $1.50 in the red. I never once made it out of the red. I started off 72 cents in the red, so I had quite a mess to clean up to begin with, and I basically made it double as bad. So, all the effort sitting around all morning trying my best, and I just kept making it worse. So, 35% accuracy. This is the way the ticker's moving today really reminded me of a cold market again. Yesterday was really nice. Felt like it was a hot market, like it had never cooled off at all. There were several really nice tickers yesterday, and then today, anything that moved barely moved at all. I went a little aggressive on getting into trades, thinking it was going to move like it did yesterday, and of course they didn't. So a little lesson learned here. I got to really take it easy, especially when the market's cold. Yesterday, being a really nice day, I think kind of put me in the different mindset, and I don't think I should have committed that hard to the market being as fluid as it was yesterday. I think that was just kind of a random one off out of these past several weeks, and I got expected to be slow again, and tomorrow too. So not the best trading morning for me. I'm still green on the week so far. I think I'm green like 35 cents. My survival goal is around $1.50 a week. So I mean, if I'm able to have a nice day tomorrow and make $1.20 something worth of profit ratio, then it'll kind of clean up my week. Otherwise, I really got to just not blow it tomorrow to stay green on the week. And that's kind of the main thing. I'm trying not to focus too hard on one particular day. I kept pushing today, and I just kept making it worse. So I finally just gave up. Didn't take any trades after the market opened. MTech, that last ticker, it took off. My first trade on it was at 821. So, I mean, it was just before the opening bell. The opening bell is 8:30 here in my time zone, and I took several trades on it, and I was very inaccurate on it. So I just washed my hands. It's just not my day. I can't find my timing. I'm hesitating, and so that's how my Thursday went. I've had much better Thursdays, that's for sure. But hopefully we can have some. Hopefully we can have some nice momentum tomorrow on Friday. All right.